What is up, guys? I'm just gonna start the video off like this. So basically I got a Gladiator grill for my Jeep TJ, but the thing is my Jeep is a 97 TJ, so it's the first TJ, and on the first TJ, in order to open up the hood latch is going to be right in the middle of the grill. So this bumper is obviously not going to work. However, I did draw some lines that I will be using my Dremel to cut out an opening, because remember, I'm not sure if you guys heard what I said before, but I do have a hood lock, and the hood lock is attached to the inner grill itself. Therefore, I need to make an opening in order for all of this to work. Let me just get started with the cutting process. Oh yeah, I just bought a Dremel from Amazon. Amazon's awesome. Here is how it looks so far. I'm just grinding it down. Here, this is a cool flex wire for the Dremel for better access. But yeah, I'm just cutting it out right now. I'll probably buff these out later when I'm done. So now I just need to cut that. But I think I'm also going to be cutting like the bottom of this halfway too. Yeah. So I had to flip it around because I had to cut the bottom of this. And that was just easier to do if I flipped it upside down to cut it. It looks really bad right now. However, I hope that I can clean it up just by, you know, sanding it down. It's kind of stuck right now, so I got this. So I'm just gonna pry it out. Yeah, there you go. So this is how it looks. It looks really bad right now. However, the cuts are straight, and I just need to clean this up. And I'm probably going to use my little sanding tool for that to make the job easier. So here's how it looks. I did not sand it yet. Here's how this piece looks. All I did was I got some pliers and I just took out all the little plastic boogers from these, and now I am going to sand it. So I have this on the floor for you guys, and this is how it looks, and this is how this looks. Let's go in closer. Yeah, so I just sanded it. So my idea is, maybe, this is just a maybe I will buy like a little hinge and put it on this, connect the hinge right here also. If I wanted to open it, I'll just open it and it'll open like that, and then I could just close it. Another idea is maybe I'll just leave it like this, because I've heard people had some problems with getting airflow into the radiator, and this looks pretty badass already in my opinion. It's funny because it looks like its eyebrows are on fleek. So once I paint this the color I want, which is going to be the same color as my fender's metallic, this is going to look really nice, and I'm probably going to buy some door trim just to make it look a little bit nicer. So yeah, those are my ideas. This is how the Gladiator grill looks. It's matte black right now. However, I went to Home Depot and I bought some metallic black paint. Yeah. And this is going to look so nice. So this is how my grill looks after it was painted. I painted that too, just in case I wanted to use it again. As you can see, it's a metallic black. I think it looks way better than the matte black. Matte black was a little too boring for me. So here is how the grill looks, guys. I painted it again with textured metallic black this time as another coat. And right here, remember where I cut it and it was really ugly? So I use basically just door trim, and I just put it around here, and I think it looks so nice. It looks clean, guys. I'm proud of myself. I might cry right now because it looks so clean. I can't wait to put this on and see how it looks. But yeah, guys, this is how it looks. customized to my liking. It looks awesome. I can't wait. These are the little screws that it comes with. Not this. Ignore this side. Just all of these. It seems that they gave us extra screws because so this big one you're supposed to put right here, and the other one you would put right on this side, right there. And it included some of these bolts and nuts, but I don't think I'll be using everything. Of course I'll be using the washer. So now I am outside. Let me turn off these lights so you can see things easier. I'm outside, it's at night, but here is the grill. Here's how that looks. So to put this on, it was a little frustrating because it's not technically on all the way. I have these bolts right here. However, these bolts are not really bolted down to anything. They're just in there. So yeah, they're just shoved in there. My fingers could not fit through these little holes. I don't know how people do it. And I didn't feel like taking the whole radiator out just to put this thing on. So I just put 2 of those bolts right in there. So here's what I did. I just put 2 of those bolts in there. There's 2 other bolts down here. Let me show you. That's one bolt right on top. And the same is on the other side, which is over here. Once I put those 2 bolts in and I just tightened it up, it had tension on this already. So the tension was pushing this forward. Therefore, I technically don't need to fasten these 2 bolts because just by putting them in the holes, they have tension inside of them and they're staying right now. Another reason why I'm not concerned about tightening both of these bolts up is because my hood is going to be down on both of them when I'm driving, and I have these hood latches that will be compressed on this, so there's no way that bolt's gonna go flying up. It's going to stay there, so that's why I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, that's how it looks. Let me close the hood and turn on the lights and show you how it looks. So just turned on the lights. You can't really see it. I have halos, there you go. But yeah, you can barely see it because the lights are too bright. Yeah, I'm not sure why this thing is showing up as purple. It's not actually purple. More blue than purple. Yeah, that's how it looks. Oh yeah, I also replaced both side markers with LED lights. Except for this one. I just had LED lights laying around, so I was like, why not, you know? Just replace it, and you can tell the difference. Look how bright that one is compared to that. That's why LEDs are killing it. Halogens, I'm sorry man, you're dying. You're terrible. What is this, the 1800s? Get out of here. No one's driving wagons anymore with halogens. Step up your game. And yeah, probably eventually I'll get some LED lights for both of these. But I think it looks really cool right now. Let me turn on the flash so you guys can kind of see what's going on. I'm really impressed about this. Can't believe I did this. But you can see right there, there's my hood lock and there's the latch that you need. So only 1997 Jeeps have this. I believe from like 1998 and on, the Jeeps have like a little hood latch system that goes in here. There's a spring, but yeah, this is like the old style. I was afraid that, you know, that this wouldn't work, but I made it work. And it looks cool. I like this little trapezoid design. I don't know how I came up with it, but it works perfectly. Door trim definitely helps make everything look clean. I'm very happy about this and just overall surprised that I was able to do this project. Just hang on a couple more videos, guys. I'll show you the full Jeep and how everything looks in the daytime. Peace.